Hi friends, Man with Into Mobile. Today we're taking a look at the Nokia Lumia 900 for AT&T. Very important Windows Phone launch, and we're going to take a look at what you can expect on the software here. So this is Windows Phone Mango, and if you've never seen it before, you notice it's a little different. It's very portrait oriented. Landscape doesn't do anything. Notice this is updating. These are live tiles where those are my friends and people who are either updating their Facebook profile right now or doing something online, and it notifies me there. If you want to click into your People Hub, this gives you not only access to your contacts, but it's also sort of a social media aggregator. So you notice these are all the Twitter stuff. These are people on Twitter. You can also update your status from here on multiple accounts, Facebook and Twitter. If you don't like that unified experience, you can still download a separate Twitter and Facebook app. It's the same with the mail here, where I have two of them there, but you can also do a unified inbox. I just like to keep them separate because I'm weird. You have your calendar here, which updates the picture. Picture Hub doesn't look good there, but it's because it pulls random pictures. And let's look through some of these. If you notice how quick and responsive it is, it's pretty nice. I like it, and there is a very nice visual aesthetic to the whole OS, where everything just looks pretty smooth. Everything looks cool, in my opinion. So you notice it's a different picture now where it's updating. So you have the Zune software on here as your music. You can do videos, podcasts, radio. You can get apps. I haven't loaded anything on here yet, but we can find some stuff to play briefly. It's my girl. And because it's a Zune store, you can get a quick preview. Wow, that sucks. But yeah. We're gonna keep moving on. You can also watch your videos through this, and it's not a bad experience. You can also get third party media software like RDO. Unfortunately, they're missing some apps like Pandora, which for me is actually kind of key. You notice these orange ones. This is what AT&T is preloading on this device. Navigator, radio, Uverse. Great thing. If you don't want it, uninstall like that, gone completely. So, even if you think it's bloatware, it's easily removable bloatware. This is a custom ESPN app built for the Nokia Lumia devices. Very visually appealing, brings you scores. I've set it up with the NBA. And then this is just a normal news ticker, and you have your videos, of course. You can set it up with your specific teams that you want. I didn't see this, so I'm going to watch it. Not bad. So I keep diving into the home screen when I switch, but if you just want to quickly move to a different app, hold down the back button, and then there you go. It'll show you all the recently launched apps. I kind of wish that you could flick away apps to kill them. Not that you necessarily need to. I just, I'm used to that. So this is the IE9, the browser, the czar site on it, mobile sites coming up. Handles HTML5 pretty well. I like the intelligent zooming. I'm going to go to a site that I like that has a lot of text on it. Oh, it's searching. Yes, more hoops. Sorry. But I just want to show you the... See, so it just actually formats it correctly for the screen. I know that is something that's kind of no duh, but a lot of things don't do it. Yeah. So, solid browser. I dig it. You also have your map. You have Local Scout, which will find you events and things around you. One thing I don't like about this Local Scout, eat and drink, see and do. One thing I don't like is, let's say you're in you're in an app and you want to search through it, you would think that you could hit the search button, but you can't. It just kicks you to the normal Bing app, which is kind of annoying. But luckily, the Bing app's pretty cool. You have your local scout here. This is a Shazam-like function. This is voice search, and this is something called Bing Vision, where you hit that and you get barcode. You can scan it. You can see, and it'll bring it up. That's NBA 2K. This is a very hoops heavy video. I didn't really plan that. Then you can go into it. You can buy it. If you do it with the CD, you can go into the Zune store and you can get a preview of it. So there's also Nokia Drive and TuneIn Radio. Nokia Drive is not on here yet, but it was actually replaced on this one by the AT&T Navigator. But it does offer free turn-by-turn directions in the United States without an internet connection, which is pretty good. It does take up some space on your device, but it's, worth it, I guess. This is the TuneIn app from Nokia as well. Might be having a network issue, but I think you get the point. So that's a quick look at the software in the Nokia Lumia 900. It's nice, it's refreshing. I do love this UI. You can change these colors out, you can change the themes if you want. It's a different way to do mobile computing, but it's still a good way. On the downside, there are a couple things that you miss, particularly if you're coming from Android or iOS, that just don't seem fully there. In particular, the App Store selection is not as good as it is on some other platforms. But if you're a new smartphone owner, and you hop into this for the first time, there might be a slight learning curve, but you're gonna like it eventually. I didn't really switch it that much. So that's a look at the Nokia Lumia 900 for AT&T. Thanks for watching.